is a very important medicine in homeopathy. It plays a very important role in homeopathy. It's a very deep acting remedy and is very good for various diseases like typhoid, cold, cough, fever, and the like. Now we have divided Bryonia into 5 categories, which makes us easy to understand Bryonia. Now, first is the nature of Bryonia patient. Second, the diseases in which Bryonia is acting best. The third, the key point of Bryonia. Fourth, the child of Bryonia, and fifth, the modalities. Now, the talking about the nature of Bryonia, the patient is very irritable. He gets angered at silly point, gets anger on all the sorts of discomfort he gets. Now, looking at the physique of the patient, the person is having black hair, thin muscular fibers, and the most important character feature of the Bryonia is the dryness. There is great amount of dryness seen in all the sorts of opening of Bryonia patient like stool, mucous membrane. Then talking about the diseases, Bryonia acts very good in major 6 diseases. The first disease is the headache. The causation factor of Bryonia patient is due to the anger. If the person gets anger, he will be followed by headache. Or in the morning when he gets up, he gets headache. Then from warm room he can get headache. The headache is very severe, as if head would burst. Now another disease in which Bryonia acts well is constipation. There is no feeling of stool. The stool is hard and dry as if burnt. Then another disease is diarrhea. The causation of diarrhea is hot weather, cold drink from fruit, and also aggravate in the morning. Then in cough, Bryonia acts well, especially in the dry cough. Now dry cough also leads to spasmodic situation, the situation in which there is sudden involuntary muscular contraction and also with the vomiting sensation. Pneumonia, a very complicated disease, in this also Bryonia helps well. Other medicines which acts best in the right side of lungs are Calicarb, Lycopodium and Chilidomide. Now after pneumonia, fever. In fever as well, Bryonia acts well. All kinds of fever can be controlled by this remedy, but the most important role is played in the typhoid fever. We can prescribe this in typhoid fever. Fever is gradually in onset. Then the patient requires large quantity of water. He feels thirsty, and in any type of movement there is aggravation. See the key points of Bryonia that when we can prescribe. When there is great thirst in the patient, great dryness is seen in the patient. It is basically acting towards the right side of the body. Rheumatic diathesis are also seen. Basically uric acid enhances and changes in that. All complaints worse from the motion and elements from the anger. And the patient requires large quantity of water to drink. Then modalities, basically the patient gets irritable or aggravated in the warm room and gets better in the cold. Now child of Bryonia is very irritable and gets angered easily. He dislikes to be carried or to be raised and desire things, but he immediately refuses.